Surprising firearm enthusiasts with foldable weapons can be quite challenging. However, the team at FoldAR managed to achieve precisely that during the SHOT Show in 2019. They unveiled an AR-style rifle that measures a mere 27 centimeters in length when folded. What sets this innovation apart is not only its collapsible stock, but also its foldable barrel, which can be replaced more swiftly than those of its competitors. One variant of this rifle is chambered for 5.5-inch 645 NATO ammunition, weighs a mere 2.8 kilograms, and features a modular forend. Nevertheless, prospective buyers should be prepared to vie for their chance to own one, as FoldAR has no intentions of ramping up production capacity. They will continue to release their products on a limited basis, with a price tag of approximately $2,500. Engineers at an American company sought to enhance the weaponry utilized by police special forces and other law enforcement officers tasked with building assaults and similar missions. Their solution came in the form of an upgrade known as the 612. Initially conceived as a compact underbarrel shotgun designed for specialized ammunition, the 612's design proved so effective that it can effortlessly transform into a standalone weapon. Additionally, it offers the versatility of interchangeable barrels and features a picket rail on the stock. The 612 is chambered in 12 millimeters, and its detachable cylinder can hold up to 6 cartridges. In its standalone configuration, the 612 measures just 88 centimeters in length. Next in line is a shotgun hailing from South Africa, meticulously crafted for urban combat scenarios within densely populated areas. Setting itself apart from similar offerings, this firearm boasts an impressive capacity of 12 rounds of 12-gauge ammunition, courtesy of its cylinder-type magazine. However, it's worth noting that this magazine is non-detachable, necessitating a reloading process akin to that of a revolver. The standout feature here is the adjustable grip designed for the shooter's support hand. This allows the shooter to rotate the cylinder by turning it, with the added convenience of automatic removal of spent cartridges via powder gases, except for the last one, which requires manual extraction using an extractor rod. Despite this idiosyncrasy, the firearm maintains a commendable level of reliability and delivers potent performance with buckshot ammunition. Moreover, it remains relatively compact in size. In its striker and protector versions with the buttstock folded, it measures 508 and 500 millimeters in length, respectively. The Halo universe originated in the realm of video games, but has achieved such resounding success that it has expanded into various other media forms, including books, comics, and movies. The sales figures for this universe are as extraordinary as the in-game universe itself, having sold 16 million copies in just 13 years. Unsurprisingly, Halo boasts a colossal community of dedicated fans, many of whom possess impressive talents. While we may still be a considerable distance away from wielding energy swords and photon weapons, the MA5 series assault rifle stands as a testament to progress, having undergone rigorous testing. It's intriguing to note that websites dedicated to this subject abound with comprehensive information about the MA5. This bullpup firearm utilizes 7.62 by 51 millimeter NATO cartridges and bears a striking resemblance to the FN F2000. However, there are lingering questions for the designer, such as the curious blue numbers on the ammunition counter. Nevertheless, the designer's work is undoubtedly deserving of admiration, as evidenced by the humorous petition shared in the comments section, humorously suggesting the weapon's designation as the primary assault rifle of the U.S. Army. This product evokes imagery reminiscent of props from action movies. You might wonder where such an unusual weapon could find practical use. The manufacturers propose an assembly akin to the Gatling system, involving the combination of multiple barrels mounted on a specialized apparatus. To undertake this experiment, you will require 2 Ruger 10-22 rifles, chambered for 22 LR ammunition, a Gatling Gun Kit complete with a tripod, barrel covers, and various essential components, as well as multiple magazines, ideally with a capacity of at least 25 to 30 rounds. This ingenious creation fires 4 rounds with each revolution of the crank, with its firing rate limited only by your ability to turn the crank. The manufacturer proudly states, "It's a good thing the 22 LR ammunition is relatively affordable, considering that the Gatling Gun Kit alone commands a price of approximately $1,200. Glock pistols have achieved remarkable success in the firearms market, with over 20 million Glock 17s produced. It's challenging to envision law enforcement agencies in numerous countries, from the United States to Iceland, without these iconic pistols. Moreover, the extensive list of movies, books, games, and other creative works featuring Glock pistols could warrant its own dedicated presentation. For businessmen in this industry, there's no reason to complain. The demand for various Glock upgrades shows no signs of waning anytime soon. Take, for instance, this affordably priced set, available for just $22. It provides a means to enhance certain airsoft Glock pistols, constructed from a combination of nylon and plastic, with a weight of approximately 230 grams. The advantages are clear-cut. The shooter gains an additional magazine, along with improved accuracy attributable to the more comfortable grip. Not all firearms neatly fall into conventional categories like hunting or home protection. There's a distinct class of firearms that excel in accessibility, designed for quick and convenient holstering. Henry Repeating Arms aptly recognizes this unique category. Allow me to introduce a shotgun that seamlessly blends enjoyment with practicality. Measuring a compact 66 centimeters in length and weighing a mere 2.6 kilograms, this firearm is easily storable in places where traditional models wouldn't quite fit. It features a 5-round 410 caliber tube magazine, putting a capable and enjoyable tool in the hands of shooters. Whether you're into shooting sports or simply looking to add something distinctive to your well-stocked gun safe, this shotgun is bound to evoke a grin that lingers until the magazine is emptied. The manufacturer is confident that this offering comes at an approximate price point of $100.